sorry. No relevant data entries can be found. Please use another database and try again. Relevant data entries found.
So, how was Snowcrest? Did you have fun? You actually remembered? I noticed you were looking into the N109 zone. Got a new mission already? That's a place even veteran hunters won't touch. Shouldn't Captain Jenna be extra prepared before heading in? I see. But I heard the people in the N109 zone are too busy cleaning up their own mess. They won't be causing trouble anytime soon. About a month ago, not long after our last mission ended, there was quite a spectacle in the N109 zone. Numerous deals were being made on the black market. A whole bunch of protocors were all cleaned out without a trace. And you know how the black market runs. Weapon augmentations, human experiments, medical research. They rely on protocors. No one knows, but according to the rumors...
It's Lumiere.
Nero, when did you get in here?
Yeah, aside from him, nobody can just go in and out of the N109 zone. Don't you know who he is? He's a mysterious hunter who appeared during the disaster 14 years ago. He was the first person to successfully kill a Wanderer. The Wanderer was really stunning. I mean, formidable. It's known as a... 99.9% sure. I heard that after he left the black market, he was on one of N109 Zone's skyscrapers, destroying protocors like he was setting off fireworks. Only he would be bold enough to provoke everyone in the N109 zone.
It sucks that Lumiere's whereabouts are always shrouded in mystery. If we found him, wouldn't places like the N109 zone be under our control?
Dear passengers, this is the last train heading to the Lincoln Botanical Garden for the day. If you wish to visit the Lincoln Botanical Garden, please board this train.
His whereabouts are unknown. It makes sense. It's hard to find someone after they disappear for years. Xavier? That was close.
You.
Don't get the wrong idea. I just... I'm sorry.
This is the last train of the
Huh.
day. Passengers who wish to
Now that I
disembark,
think about
please
it.
be aware.
I haven't seen Xavier in over a month. A lot of things have happened since then.
Is there something outside?
No,
I never thought I'd bump into you on the subway.
same. Now I'm worried about what will happen next. Please don't say we're about to find ourselves in some crisis. You won't, right?
Sorry, but there is a crisis. I'm really hungry and all the stores are closed.
Maybe it's because Wanderers have been more active lately.
Anyway, why are you just going home now?
I was thinking about stuff, got distracted, and missed a bunch of trains.
Try not to ponder while in dangerous places next time.
What? Wait, this train isn't going to eat me alive, is it?
Haven't you heard of the urban legend? After midnight, an empty train will appear. Anyone unlucky enough to ride it will be dragged into the depths of the abyss.
Uh-huh.
It will be midnight in 30 seconds. If we don't get off here, we'll be trapped in the abyss.
Do you like telling ghost stories? I take this train all the time. I've never encountered anything out of the ordinary.
If something strange does happen, I hope you still have the guts.
Speaking of which, why does it feel like we've been on this train for a while? We should have reached the next stop by now.
This is West Garden Station. Doors will
West
open
Garden
on the
Station.
right.
That can't be
Please exit
right.
in an orderly fashion.
Boarded the train here. Something's off, Xavier. Let's get out here and...
Don't. If you get off the train, you'll be stuck with no way out.
That can't be because of a ghost, right? Nope, not a ghost. It's a wanderer.
Watch out.
Nope, not a ghost. It's a wanderer.
Watch out.
Over there. Xavier, the wanderer is hiding in the glass.
Not that side.
Oh no.
You okay?
I'm fine. I'm not hurt. Was it just my imagination?
This is West Garden Station. Doors will
Again
open
with
on
the West
right.
Garden Station.
Please exit
This
in
train
an
is stuck in a
orderly
loop. Piece of mirror.
The train is trapped within an invisible mirror. That wanderer can travel between glass and mirrors. Find it, otherwise the train will keep going in circles forever.
There are so many windows. Where do we start?
We just... Don't let it hide. I'm sleepy. Let's get this over with. It's time.
Here we go.
Step back.
Light, shine down upon me.
Here I come.
Xavier,
I'm here.
you won't escape.
Be careful not to get hit. It's time.
Here
The enemies are weak. Now's our chance. Can you keep up?
I didn't even sweat. Steady now. We can do this.
Watch yourself.
Go back to the pit you came from. Light, shine down upon me.
Here I come. It's time.
Here we go.
Keep up the momentum.
Xavier,
I'm here. I am not afraid. It's time to end it. Let's move.
I won't lose to you.
Don't come too close. You'll hurt yourself. Get behind me. The enemies are weak. Now's our chance.
Eat this. Xavier,
Watch out. It's getting back up. End it. Be careful not to get hit. I wasn't worried.
we did it.
Dear passengers,
Is the flux nexus related to the appearance of Tezcatlipoca?
The station will now be closing. We ask all those who have yet to leave
Oh,
to do so as soon as
all
possible.
the windows are broken.
We look forward to seeing you again.
It's just that I wanted us to look for it carefully. I didn't expect you to.
What can I say? I was exhausted. But yeah, it wasn't a good plan.
It's okay. I also feel responsible. We'll bear the consequences together. Xavier? He can fall asleep while standing up? Fighting while exhausted and hungry? You're the most dedicated hunter I've seen.
It was on the way. I didn't expect to be so exhausted.
It was killed by Lumiere 14 years ago, and no others have appeared since? Lumiere? His name keeps showing up.
Lumiere?
Yeah, the database says Tezcatlipoca was a troublesome wanderer that appeared 14 years ago. Lumiere was the one who killed it. And this time, when it appeared, you... Xavier, you're not Lumiere, right?
He appeared 14 years ago. Should be in his 40s by now. And rumor has it that he's a Tenebrae now.
You shouldn't believe everything you hear, especially when someone like him is involved. And I was kidding. You can't be him. You don't look like someone in his 40s.
Why do you need to meet him?
I wouldn't say that. I'm just trying my luck.
only one to walk out of the N109 zone unscathed. Wiped out 3 important factions in the N109 zone overnight? You believe that?
I'm just curious. If he can waltz into a dangerous place like the N109 zone and leave without a scratch, he must know a lot.
Even if he's in the know, he might not remember much if he has a bad memory. But the more important thing here is, are you interested in him or the N109 zone?
Did you forget what Captain Jenna said? If we want to investigate the modified protocore, we need to look into Anakinus and the N109 zone.
The mission doesn't require you to go there.
I wasn't planning to. I thought I'd take a quick peek.
Really?
I'm well aware it's an area you can't just visit because you feel like it.
It's a dangerous place. One mistake and you forfeit your life, if you really want to go. Then you either have to have strength, or you have to blend in.
Care to explain?
It's like a melting pot. Everyone knows where people's loyalties lie, so they only acknowledge their allies. If you can't use brute force, blending in is the easiest way. But it's also quite the challenge.
How do you know all this?
This stuff isn't top secret. One just needs to dig a little.
Yet, no one said anything about it to me before.
That's enough gossiping for today. This is my house. You should head home too. The sooner the better.
Actually, I live here. In this building. Never would have expected this. Xavier lives on the floor above me. It's not surprising. A lot of hunters live around here. But the fact that we're only separated by a floor is a bit too coincidental.
Actually, I moved in over 6 months ago, so that makes you more suspicious compared to me.
Okay, but you know an awful lot about the N109 zone. Are you sure you're not the suspicious one here?
Well, what about you?
Huh?
Is your interest in the N109 zone only related to the modified protocore?
Okay, yeah, I do want to go. There's something I need to do there. Could you give me some more info? If it's not too much trouble, of course. Is that a yes? Or...
If you're so curious, we can meet up tomorrow.
Really?
It's no problem as long as I get a good night's sleep.
I thought you'd be wide awake right now. Great. Well, thanks in advance. Good night.
Tomorrow then. You're here early. Orange juice, coffee, or water? Are you thirsty? Ice or no ice? My place is a bit of a mess. You can sit anywhere, though. Do you want some breakfast? Fried eggs and toast? Oh, I'm out of eggs. Are sausages okay? That... So, are you here to confirm my connection to Lumiere? Or are you here for something in the N109 zone? The protocore we found in the no-hunt zone had a red protocurve. Do you know why? Yes. The modified protocores in the abandoned research base and no-hunt zone number 7 possess energy derived from an ether core. They aren't for now. The Hunters Association only knows it holds powerful energy, but they don't have the means to analyze it. They won't be making any progress on that front for a while. You didn't tell them either, right? Everyone has secrets and their reasons for doing things. Regardless, I won't be your enemy. And it appears you have more secrets than me. The reason you want to investigate the N109 zone is because of your family. Am I wrong?
Xavier has requested to synchronize access privileges. Accept? Synchronizing access privileges. Please wait. Synchronization complete. Your current access privileges are at the highest level. You can use the best training grounds available. Use the S-Rank database and request weapons from Armory 0001 through 0005.
Now do you trust me? They expire in 24 hours. You have 23 hours and 59 minutes remaining. You're welcome. Nothing in this world can be fully explained. Still, I hope you find out the truth. Did you forget something? Hmm? Oops. What I want this time. Let's make this. It's time.
Here we go.
Keep up the momentum. Pay attention to its movements.
I'll show you.
Watch out.
Light, shine down upon me.
Here I come.
It was just a scratch.
It's time.
You're
The enemies are weak. Now's our chance. I am not afraid.
Xavier.
I'm here. Step back. Are you alright?
Bring it on. Go back to the pit you came from.
Be careful. It's time.
Here we go.
Weak. Don't rush.
Light, shine down upon me.
Here I come.
I'm okay. Let's take it down first.
Let's move.
I won't lose to you.
Come to me.
Xavier.
I'm here. Can you keep up?
I didn't even sweat.
It's time.
Here we
The
go.
enemies are weak. I wasn't worried.
We did it.
Bring it down together. This one might be it. It's time.
Here we go.
Keep up the momentum. End it. I am not afraid.
Eat this. My turn. Xavier.
I'm here. It's time.
Here we go. Light.
Are you alright?
No. Xavier.
I'm here.
Go back to the pit you came from. Bring it on.
Don't get too close. You'll hurt yourself. I am not afraid. Get behind me. Pay attention to its movements. It's time. The enemies are weak. Now's our chance. Let's move.
I won't lose to you.
You're almost done.
Everything went well.
I'm sleepy. Let's get this over with. It's time.
Here we go. Xavier.
I'm here. Keep up the momentum.
You won't.
Are you okay?
It was just careless. My turn.
End it. Step back. Time to get serious. It's time.
Here we go.
Be careful not to get hit. Can you keep up? Watch yourself.
I'll show you. Xavier.
I'm here. Don't get too close. You'll hurt yourself. Watch out. Are you okay?
It was just careless.
It's time.
Here we
The enemies are weak. Now's our chance. I am not afraid. Let's move.
I won't lose to you. Xavier.
I'm here. Watch out. It's getting back up.
Eat this.
Watch out. Be careful not to get hit. It's time.
Here we go.
Don't rush. Are you alright?
Bring it on. Xavier.
I'm here. Can you keep up? Are you okay?
I was just careless. Light, shine down upon me.
Here I come. It's time.
Here we
The enemies are weak. Now's our chance. It's done.
Everything went well.